Montego Bay, Jamaica. We made it. Look at this. Petia's over there with a nanny.
Is water going in?
And it's absolutely paradise here. We're gonna swim to that pink mat, and then we are going on a snorkeling adventure. And it's great because this hotel includes a nanny service, and so Crossy and I can do whatever we want. It's amazing. It's amazing. There they go. Okay, and here I go. That's right. Let me show everybody how clear it is. You wanna come with Bobby? Dive in? We're done with lunch and we're gonna rest a little bit, and my son is out there on the boat fishing. He's hooked on fishing now. Javon is taking us on a snorkeling adventure right off a shore. It's gonna be fun. Ow! Look at this. Yaman. Woohoo! day actually, and it's so beautiful today. I mean, it's been beautiful every single day, but and the wind is kind of picking up, but the visibility is still like perfect. So Crossy and I are gonna go in. Look at this. And explore. We got done with snorkeling. It was amazing, and our kids are not here. Look, we don't know what to do with ourselves. No, but our kids are with the nannies. They're at the beach right now. They don't even know that we're done with snorkeling. This resort is amazing if you have kids, little kids.
Mama, can I go to their room?
So here's a pool. Here are the nannies. We're just going to relax a little more and join the kids at the beach. So here's our little princess with the nanny. Here's our other nanny, and there's our little boy. Sure.
And it was yours.
What? Did you see the sea urchins? Right now, they're having family activities. Has not pooped in 4 days, so we don't know when the bomb's gonna drop. Granny. Aw, Petya loves huggies. Excited to go snorkeling?
Yes! 111.
So Javon, the lifeguard, is taking us on a snorkeling adventure. And Granny is going with us. Okay, so it's lunchtime. It's a buffet. That's the pasta station. These are all the delicious Jamaican food. Soup. Dessert, salad, fresh fruit. Yum. Morning. We had breakfast and the kids are with the nannies. And we are going to go for a little snorkel diving session. The weather's a little different today. It's cloudy, but the sea is pretty calm right now. But that might change. So we're going to take advantage. Stingray down there, and he keeps looking at us. His eyes are going right, left, right, left. Just curious. He's probably like, what are they doing? I'm taking a nap. Bothering me. Look at the water. It's unreal. So Crossy and I went for a jog all the way to there. And then now we're going to enjoy this crystal clear Caribbean water. The kids are still with the nanny. Woohoo! And this is just paradise. We love this resort. FDR. Right there. We went snorkeling and diving this morning and we saw 2 stingrays, which was a big treat for me. I love them.
Hello.
You don't even need goggles here because the water is so clear. It's like a pool. Right? You don't need goggles.
So clear.
Totally.
Hello.
Hello.
Wait,
You're recording. Good morning. Our last day. It's our last day today. What are we gonna do, guys?
probably have the best last day.
That sounds good to me.
Mama.
You guys will see each other later.
Aww.
This is good, huh?
Yay, now we made a new friend on a vacation.
Yay. What's your favorite part of this resort?
The clear water and the nanny service.
Yes. 100%.
My travel